everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be guiding you through a quick and simple process on how to view your cart on DoorDash. So let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video. Launch open a web browser of your choice and type in DoorDash.com inside your URL box, or you can also open up your DoorDash mobile application and sign into your account. After making sure you are logged into your DoorDash account, go ahead and click on the cart icon located at the top right hand corner of the screen. Your current cart will be displayed, showing the restaurants, items, quantities and prices. If you have not added any items to your cart, you can get started by scrolling through your home page, select from a category at the top, or simply enter for a product using the search icon at the top right, and then when you come across the item you would like to purchase, you can start shopping for it by adding the product in your shopping cart. Click the add button right under the product, and then this will help you add a product in your shopping cart. You can now go ahead and customize your purchase as shown in the text box, and once you are ready with your order, click on add to cart. You can now view your cart anytime you want by clicking on the cart icon at the top right and then proceed with your checkout. That is how you should be able to view your shopping cart on DoorDash. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.